Making money online should not be difficult. So, chances are that you're here, you're watching this video because you want an easy way in which you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home, something that you can do on your spare time. Maybe you arrive home really, really tired from your 9 to 5 job, and that's okay because we all need money. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial, something easy, something really simple that you can do worldwide, and you just need to have an internet connection. If you have a cell phone, that's okay. If you have a tablet, that's okay. If you have a laptop, that's okay. So hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know of how you can make money from the comfort of your home. This is worldwide. There is no investment required, but you need to put the hours. Please watch the entire video because at the end, I want to show you another way in which you can make money online. So now let me show you everything. Okay, first of all, I'm going to be sharing you my screen because I want to make sure that we're going to be on the same page. Okay, the very first thing is that we are going to be using several websites. So please make sure that you're not going to be skipping, the steps, because if you do so, that's the reason why there are people out there who are, struggling to make money online. So first, we're going to go to a website that is called Pexels. Okay, you're going to go to pexels.com. And we're going to be finding black and white photos. Okay, you're going to do the search and you're going to type black and white photos. You're going to see that you have a lot of photos here. Okay, so this is a great website. Download one that you really like. Okay, download one that you really like by clicking and then clicking on download. Okay, free download. You just need to click here, free download, and you're going to have it in your computer. Okay, please make sure that you're going to be doing that. Then we are going to be going to another website. Okay, this website, it's allow us to add color to a black and white image. Okay, it's going to be turning black and white photos to color in seconds. Okay, so you don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need to be spending hours, to add colors. Okay, and remember, this is 100% free. So you can see that you can upload the image here. They have several colorization factors. You can play with the numbers. You can type the size and you can click here where it says colorize. Something that I want you to please pay close attention is the fact that you do not need credits. Okay, so you don't need to buy credits because here it says credit requires 0, credits available 0. Okay, so you don't need to be buying credits. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making sure that you're going to go to the website called hotpot.ai. Okay, hotpot.ai. And then you're going to click here where it says upload. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is that we are going to be uploading the black and white image that we download. Okay, this is the one that I decided to download. So it says colorization factors. I'm going to put 20 and I'm going to click here where it says colorize. Okay, boom. Now I have an image with colors. Okay, how amazing is that? It has all the lights, the shadows. Okay, so this is actually really, really amazing. Look at this, the black and white. Look at this, the color version. It's actually really, really, really nice. It's really amazing. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know if you were aware about these kind of techniques, if you like PayPal money, or if you prefer all their payment methods, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is the one that you're looking for and that is going to be helpful. Okay, so let me know what your favorite payment method is. How cool is that, right? How cool is that? We have the image here. Now, the only thing that you need to do in order to download it is click it and you're going to be able to download it. So we have this tool, but chances are that right now you're like, okay, what I'm going to be, you know, doing with this? Can I use it on my tablet? Can I use it on my cell phone? I don't have a computer. As I mentioned before, yes, you can do this from your tablet and you can do this from your computer as well and from your mobile device. As long as you have internet connection, it doesn't matter where you are, you can do this. So what else do we have? Well, we have this website that is allowing us to remove images background. Okay, if you have a background that you're like, I want to get rid of that, you usually need to use Photoshop and you need to spend time removing it. But with this website, which is called remove.bg, you can automatically delete it. Okay, so let me show you how it works. As you can see, this is a simple website and you are going to be, chances are that you're going to be landing here on remove.bg. I already was doing my task with the website, so that's the reason why I was on another page. So it's 100% automatically and free, guys. This 100% free. Just picture it, okay? Here you see the original image when we remove the background, when we add a new background, when we customize it. So several options here. The same with products, okay? The same with animals. The same with cars. The same with graphics, logos, okay? So you can see the full potential of this. So you're going to be removing background. It's 100% automatically. It's just take you 5 seconds and one click. You're going to be impressed. Check it out. Boom, boom. Okay, let me show you the car as well. Amazing, right? I know it's actually really, really amazing. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be clicking where it says upload image, or we're going to be drag and drop it. Okay, I'm going to choose my image and boom, I have the original image and I have the one with the remove background. Okay, now what we need to do is that I need to click here where it says download. Okay, here download, and I have the image with the remove background. Okay, so we have so far 2 tools that are 100% free that are helping us accomplish something. And how do we monetize this? How do we actually make money with this? Okay, the first website that I'm going to show you, chances are that you already know it. It's called Fiverr. Okay, so you're going to go to fiverr.com and you're going to create a free account. Okay, this website, people, are looking for someone who are going to be doing some gigs for them. Okay, and remember that I want to show you guys ways in which you can actually earn money without, spending too much time. So we're going to type it here, colorize photos. Okay, so colorize. Okay, for example, we have colorized black and white photos, colorized photos, and you can click here where it says, okay, where it says search. Okay, so you're going to be landing here. Okay, so you're going to be landing here. So here you can see that there are people who are willing to use this service. How do you know? Because there are others who are offering this. For example, we have this person who is charging $10. Okay, that's the starting price. And the only thing is that someone is giving him or her a black and white image and they're going to be adding colors. You can see it here, right? Okay, so far they have 68 reviews. Not everybody who is using this service is going to be, providing a review, but we have these other person, right? The same, the prices start with $10 and it has 195, reviews. So if we need to do the math, right? If we need to do the math, how much money this person actually earned, and remember, that's the starting price. So 195 times 10, that's almost $2,000. Okay. And we do see that there are other people here as well, okay, who are actually offering the service. You can start like this person with $5, so you can have more opportunities to sell. But these are actually really easy, really simple tasks if you have the right tool. That's the reason why we are using Hotpot. Okay, so let me show you an insight so you can have an inside look of how does this work. Remember that the starting price is $10. For example, this person says, I will colorize one, okay, photo, but the delivery time is 3 days. Okay, it's actually 3 days. Remember that with the website that I just showed you, you're gonna have this done with one click. Okay, what about the standard? Okay, so if someone decides to colorize 2 images, the price is gonna be $20. Okay, and the delivery time it's 4 days. Okay, and what about the premium one? The premium one is that if someone decides to go and colorize 3 images, they can do it, and the delivery time is actually 5 days. How you can outbid this person? Well, you can tell them like, okay, I will colorize, one image. You just need to pay me $10, the same $10, but the delivery time is 1 day, 24 hours. Okay, or 48 hours, 2 days. Okay, so that's how you can actually, outbid this person. Remember the website that I show you, it's actually really, really amazing for this. Okay, another website in which you can actually earn, earn with the tool that I show you is this one. It's called People Per Hour. Okay, you can go to peopleperhour.com, and it's the same. There are freelancers here, and there are people who are looking for you to do the gigs. Okay, and remember, guys, okay, as I show you, you can do this with everything. Okay, with images, it can be like a rose, the example that I use. It can be person, it can be apparels. Okay, so people who have e-commerce stores, they are ready to pay for the service because they need it. Okay, they need it. So we are going to go with background removal. Okay, we're going to go with background removal, and you're going to click here where it says search. So with that says, you're going to see that there are people here. For example, this person, okay, it's going to be, receiving $10 for a set of 25 images that he or she is going to remove the background. The same with this person, okay? It's 35 photos and $10, okay? 20 with 15, okay, with product images, okay? So you can see people are actually willing to do this, okay? For example, let me show you this person, okay? And let's do the math again. This person is charging $25 for anything between 1 and 50, okay? But it has almost 4,000 reviews. So 3,996 times 25, almost $100,000 just by removing backgrounds. How cool is that? Just by removing backgrounds. And why? Because I told you that there are people out there who has their e-commerce stores and they actually need this. So you can go to remove BG, okay? And you can actually do this. With a couple of clicks, you can actually do this, okay? Let's review this offer to see what he or she is actually offering. Okay, you can see that $25, the delivery, it's 1 day. Okay, it has 100% reviews. Okay, so you can actually model what this person has, okay? It says here, okay, easy images, maximum 50, hard images, 25, and custom images, 25. Okay, if someone wants to replace the background, this person charge $100. Okay, if you decide to go with 200 images, if the person decides to go with 100, it's going to be $50. So they're actually making way more money than the amount I've showed you. So there are several ways, definitely, guys, in which you can actually make money online. Okay, this is a super simple way. in which you can make money. It doesn't matter where you are. And there are other websites besides People Per Hour and Fiverr. Okay, so you can go on Google and find, like Fiverr alternative, and there's going to be like a huge list. But if you guys want to discover what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Watch the next video. Until next time.